This truck right here would be good for a first-time buyer. This is a 2019 International LT625 with a Cummins automatic transmission. This truck is $42,950 in price, and that's kind of where you should be as a first-time buyer. Anywhere between $29,950 or $30,000 up to $45,000, I think, is a good sweet spot for first-time buyers. Not only for yourself, you want to be able to pay the truck off quicker, have a lower monthly payment, have a lower down payment, but also for the finance company. They want a little bit lower of a risk, and these trucks right here being lower in price are a lower risk for them, and they really want you to pay this thing off quicker than other units. If you're buying a $70,000 truck, your amount finance is pretty high. And if you were to decide this wasn't for you, or you wanted to get out of the trucking business and it didn't work for you, your payoff is a lot lower and it's easier to get out of the truck. And that's kind of what the finance companies want to see.